Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime.
Hey guys, welcome back. It is the next day. It's about almost 11 o'clock, so we're getting ready to get started with our day. We have quite a few fun things that we're doing today, so I'm excited to bring you guys along. Let's get into it. Okay, so we are in the Louvre, like big courtyard before the grand gates, still part of the property. But there are these giant like statue buildings and the doors are always closed, but today these doors are open. I don't know what's down here. Darren is not game, so he's waiting on the other side of this. But access, I don't know what any of that means. So we're gonna see what's down here. I hear piano music. Information, bathrooms, parking. Is this a parking garage? Oh, it's a parking garage. Why is there a parking garage down here? Let's see. Oh yeah, not creepy at all. It's a parking garage. I was thinking this was gonna be something really cool, like an historical. Honestly, I really thought I was heading down to like a second set of like catacombs or like an underground like tunnel system. This was not nearly as exciting as I thought it would be. We're heading all the way up. Okay, and we're back out. Right at the end of this block where we're going right now, this is believed to be one of the oldest, if not the oldest bars in all of Paris. Online it said it was open, however, it looks like it is closed. Oh no, I think this might be part of it. Right there is the Louvre. So here it is. Yeah, it does look like they are closed right now. How incredible is this? It opened in 1614, and this is where the king's, his soldiers would stop before returning to the Louvre, and this is where they would get a snack, a beer, and right down there, straight shot down the street, is the Louvre. This is amazing. Unfortunately, it's closed right now because it is off season, but it's really cool because this is just like a piece of history. Okay, so we just stumbled upon this little shopping area with like restaurants. Look how beautiful this is. Unfortunately, it does look like a lot of the places are closed right now, and it's about noon, so it's probably due to the time of the year and not the hour of the day. So this pastry shop opened in 1730 by a Polish pastry chef named Nicholas Strower. He was the pastry chef in Versailles for King Louis XV and his queen Marie. Okay, so we just left that beautiful pastry bakery. Sorry I didn't show you guys. We have a reservation for cocktails, so we had to kind of do things a little quickly. But the chocolate croissant was absolutely amazing. So the nice thing was that they only put the chocolate like, you know, like right in the middle, so we were able to also try the pieces of the croissant around it to see what the plain croissant tasted like. And it was so cool. First off, it was absolutely delicious. I would highly recommend it. And the little shop is so cute, but also just like the aspect of history and like King Louis the 15th ate that croissant. Like, how cool is that? It's practically like a real croissant. So that was an amazing experience. And now we are on our way to a little restaurant called Cali Sisters, like California. And what's really cool about this is that they newly opened in Paris, and they make CBD infused cocktails. So from what I could find online, they are the only one in this area that does like anything like this, and I've never heard of a place that serves CBD cocktails. So super cool. We had to make a reservation because obviously they get super booked up having such like being like such like a novelty, like niche product. So we're really excited. We are about 10-minute walk from there, so we're heading there now. All right, so we just arrived to Cali Sisters. Such a beautiful, cute little place. All right, we got their flatbread with a, I think it was a cucumber like yogurt dip, and then we got tortilla crisps with a mint, creamy mint sauce. And this is the CBD cocktail. It has mint infused gin with cucumber and citrus. And then our Cali fries, they're basically just herb fries with some Parmesan cheese on top, and then I got a side of ketchup. So these are both amazing, delicious, and even the drink is amazing. I would highly recommend if you guys are in this area. There we go. Seriously, this place is really, really good. Okay, so we just left Cali Sisters. Everything was super delicious. CBD drinks, awesome. We each got 2 of them. So now we're on our way. We're just gonna go check out some local shops in the area and see what else we stumble upon. Okay, I don't think I've showed you guys yet, but here is the metro station. I'm gonna take you guys down into it. So we are not using the metro on this trip just because COVID, sanitation purposes, and so we just don't really want to do that. If you're not familiar, the metro is basically the France version of the New York subway system. So it's basically just like train. So you can buy your tickets right here. You can buy weekly passes, monthly passes, just a one-time pass. You can come in, you have to go scan your ticket, go through, exits, very similar to the New York subway. Here they have all the upcoming trains, where they're going, the routes. And that's basically the metro system. I'd show you guys the train, but I'd have to buy a ticket to go in. And like I said, we're walking everywhere. So that's what they look like if you guys have ever been curious. And they have them basically every single block. So it has a really fantastic public transportation system. So if you want to go anywhere, this is a really incredible way to travel. This is how I traveled the first time that I came to Paris. All right, we just got to this really cool building. Apparently there's this awesome rooftop bar here, but a lot of it is under construction right now. So we're gonna see if we can find a way to get in, because there were signs saying the restaurant's name. It's just a matter of trying to navigate, because there are all these lines to get in, but they're all closed. So maybe through here? So I am happy as a clam right now. I found socks. So the past few days, I've been walking around without socks because I didn't bring enough, or I only brought like the tall ones that you can see with my kids. So I've been walking around with none, just trying to find a store that sold no-show socks, and it's been such a struggle. We found a Foot Locker on the way here. Foot Locker came through for me, and I got 6 pairs. We're only here for like 5 more days. Oh, darn. Okay, we found another entrance, but once again, it is closed. This is it, the like George's. I think the restaurant's called like St. George's. It's like, how do you get in? We've walked around like every side of this building and everything's like blocked off. All right, so it looks like it's closed. Maybe just a few people in there for like maintenance, but majority of the lights are off. There's not a lot of people. I think this is just another one of those classic, I don't know if it's just France in general or because of COVID, but online it says it's open and like it shows the business hours. Everything's a lie on Google. I think it might just be right now. But things say they're open, they're not open. Sometimes they're completely closed, some are out of business, and some have taken like a month or 2-month vacation. So it's very confusing. Just because something says it's open online, it's only like a 50% chance, it feels like, that it's actually open. So we did pass a few other cute places, so we're gonna continue just looking around and stopping at cute other places that we come across that are open. Okay, also under construction and about to get hit by a car, but we just found this bar that looks like, it reminds me of like Jungle Cruise from like Disneyland. So we're gonna grab a drink here. Look how cool all this is. So yeah, we're gonna grab a drink here and then continue on our journey of exploration. If you guys are interested in this kind of jungle type cafe, this is what it's called. So it looks like they have a pretty good amount of options here. They do have a whole beer menu. Other little snacks. Everything seems to be a la carte, by the way. Nothing comes with sides. And a lot of times they don't even list sides on the menu, but if you see like something comes with fries or mashed potatoes, you can always just ask them for it. It's not technically on the menu, but I've done it at a lot of places and they can honor it, and then it is on the bill, so there is a way for them to charge for it as well. So don't be shy if you want something like that. Ooh, our water is served in a Jack Daniel's bottle today. Shall we cheers? If you guys ever come here when it's open, this is the place, George's. It's a French cuisine and it's in that big building. I don't know if you guys can see just like what beautiful views. So this is why we were trying to go there, but for one reason or another, they are closed. Okay guys, so we bought a ticket through Viator. We are finally going to be able to go all the way up. We have made it through security. We thought it wasn't going to happen, but we've done it, guys. We've done it. top of the Eiffel Tower. I mean, it doesn't get any more top than right here. So it's about 2 hours later. We just got back to the hotel room. We went to dinner at the same place we went last night, just because it's so close to our hotel room and it's already getting pretty late. So I'm gonna go ahead and end off the video here. Tomorrow we have to get up at 5:15 in the morning. So we will have another video starting bright and early tomorrow. So thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below, give this video a big thumbs up, and if this is the first of the France vlogs you are watching, head over to my channel. I have a ton other there, and I have a few more coming after this. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting.